Whoa, look how fluffy. Are you having fun here? What are you looking at? Yep, it snowed. Oreo, are you okay? Look how cute you look. Okay, so the weather is really bad. And I think that this is why Gear was barking last night, because he heard all these little birds out here. So this little bird didn't make it. Poor little girl. Yeah, I know. And then this one didn't make it either. Oh. So last night our little spigot, or the outdoor, yeah, they're dead. But yesterday we had a bursting pipe. Last night the birds are enjoying all the water. See, look how cute they look. Oh, yeah, these little guys here.
You're the bag?
Yeah. Okay, so this is the damage that this cold weather is doing. Our neighbor, thanks to our neighbor, he came and fixed it. Look how pretty. Just everything's covered in snow. Everything. Wow. Look, you can't even see the grass. Bev, look how pretty this looks.
What?
Look at my footsteps. You can't even see the grass. Can't believe it. Look at the icicles.
It's so soft, it won't even let you build a snowman.
Look at how huge those are. That's crazy.